him a the fool. As long as you love, little with is cool.
You know what? Why not in car glass?
Good evening, officer. How we can help you?
Stop the car.
Officer, how you fit up 2 car one time?
How you mean to stop 2 car one time? On my car that?
A fear car? What a car, pretty man? The car drive.
How you so bright and face the man?
You want me documents?
Documents? Me no need no documents. For me, I go charge you for no need no documents.
Charge me, officer. A charge you go charge me?
You don't know what me I charge you?
Me did I go too fast?
Charge for speeding. You see me no speed gun.
And me seatbelt me never put on.
How do you charge for your seatbelt and negative?
Ah, I must need insurance.
Me not charge you for insurance. No, me not charge you for bad driving.
So, where you charge me for then?
Me a charge you for gazing. You gaze too much.
Gazing?
Yes. You know keep your eye on the road.
Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one. And if you're new, please subscribe. Little Weasleys.